Hello everyone. I supposed to do my next DIY TCA cross session, but I had purging due to skin cell turnover process. That's why I have these pimple marks and redness on my face and just decided to do my 7th session of at-home microneedling using Banisher 2.0. And to start the procedure, first I will exfoliate my skin or my face using pumpkin enzyme mask. Again, this routine is not advisable for everyone, but for me, this really works. And just to share with you guys, my skin purging happens when I started consistently use the pumpkin enzyme mask to exfoliate my skin. But don't worry guys, I consulted my doctor or my derma about it. And she explained to me that this is normal because pumpkin mask is exfoliating my skin and has active ingredient which is glycolic acid, which makes the process of my skin cell turnover faster. And this process is the cause of my skin purging, not the product. And how ironic, guys, that this process happened because of pumpkin enzyme mass active ingredient, but also because of its other ingredients like zinc. It made my skin purging to heal faster. How ironic, right? And going back in the video, so I'm done spreading the product all over my face and I will let it sit for 15 minutes. And then while waiting, I will disinfect the Banisher tool with 70% isopropyl alcohol for 5 minutes. And here after 15 minutes, I already washed my face. And this is my skin looks after washing it with water. And then I will also use the biotin micellar water to cleanse my face and to make sure that I have removed all of the remaining products on my skin before starting the micro needling. So here I started the procedure of my at-home micro needling using Banisher 2.0. And if you want to try it as well at home, you may purchase this tool in Banish website. Just visit www.banish.com. And you may also use my discount code MARS. And you can get $5 off for orders $50 above. And I will also put this information in the description box of this video. So here I just finished the procedure off cam and this is my skin looks after the procedure. Alright guys, I just bought this serum, which is 2% alpha-arbutin plus niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. So I bought this serum for my pimple marks and hyperpigmentation to fade faster. And of course, I will also apply one of my favorites product, the Banish serum. This is a vitamin C and E with rosehip oil. This is the best product to apply after your micro needling procedure. This product will boost our skin collagen production for our skin firmness, reduction of fine lines, brighten dark marks or spots, and also for our skin to heal faster. Alright, that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!